Document 360 helps you monitor and track important activities and incidents and receive timely alerts about events happening inside your knowledge base so that you can take appropriate action. For example, you may use it to enforce security policies like when a role access privilege has been created, updated, or removed, or whenever an article is published to your site. Email notifications are applied to each event by default, but Document 360 can send notifications via additional notification channels like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and other platforms when a change or update is made to your project. Let's look at how to set this up in Document 360. Under the knowledge base site settings, click Notifications, and let's jump into the notification mapping section just to get an idea of the kind of events we can track. At the very top, we can have Document 360 send us notifications for any event that happens in our project by selecting All Events. However, you may wish to have more granular control. We can view the different categories in the list below and expand that to see the individual elements that notifications can be enabled for. Let's say we want an email notification whenever an article is published to our knowledge base. Since you should already have your email associated with your Document 360 user profile, it's just a matter of enabling the appropriate event in the notification mapping. Now, as soon as an article is published to the knowledge base site, you'll receive a notification through email with all the details about the event. For the second use case, let's configure a new notification channel in Slack to monitor our security access policies as soon as a team account is added, updated, or deleted. Add a new channel, and you can give it a suitable name. Next, we'll need to input the webhook URL. Within Slack, activate an incoming webhook to the Slack workspace for the required channel. Copy the webhook URL, paste it in Document 360, and save, and we can now map notifications to the Slack channel. Let's go to Project Admin Settings and enable Team Account Added, Deleted, and Updated. Then click the Add button and enable the Slack notification channel for each of them. Now that the mapping has taken effect, anytime a user account is modified in your knowledge base portal, you will immediately receive a detailed notification in Slack. Any notifications that were triggered can be viewed in the notification history, and you can get more information about a notification by clicking View Details. You may have noticed that the notification emails are sent from the default document360.com domain. But if you have your own registered domain, you can set it up in the email domain section by verifying your domain name. In conclusion, Document 360 makes it easy to stay up to date on any changes made to your knowledge base by using several notification channels. It's possible to keep an eye on pretty much every aspect of your knowledge base and helps you make quick and informed business decisions.